invited into the home of a Dixie Belle paint user to see how they use Dixie Belle paint in their daily life. So let's walk around this home and see how this family invites Dixie Belle into their home every day. I see a project going on right over here. Let's take a look. Well, hello there, young man. What are you working on?
My mom told me to paint the house with Dixie Belle paint.
Wow, this looks fabulous, you guys. Everybody tell him what a great job he's doing painting the home in Dixie Belle paint. I just love your color choice. He is doing an excellent job. Okay, everyone, let's go inside and see how else this family likes to use Dixie Belle paint in their daily life. We are so excited to be here. What a lovely home. And I'm so grateful to this family for inviting us into their life. So let's see what all this family is doing. Okay, I hear some activity over here. Let's go take a look at what's going on. This family is very busy, all spending time together, enjoying their day, all around their Dixie Belle paint activities. Okay, let's see. Right in here in this room, I hear something. Let's see. Oh my, hello, hello, sir. I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I see that you've just taken a nice shower.
Yes, ma'am.
And now can you tell us how you like to enjoy Dixie Belle paint fresh out of the shower?
Yes, ma'am. Well, actually what I like to do is use it as creamer for fine lines and wrinkles.
What a great idea. Oh my, yes, that looks great.
See? Look at that.
Yeah. No, that looks great. I can definitely see why you like Dixie Belle paint in your bathroom for your daily skincare activities. Yeah, oh, definitely he needs some too.
Yes.
Well, sir, I would just like to say that you do look 10 years younger.
Why, thank you.
You look fabulous.
Thank
you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I'm so sorry to interrupt your shower.
Oh, that's totally okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, let's move along now because I hear some other activity going on with Dixie Belle paint in another room. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, what a beautiful family. That skincare routine, I could definitely use that. I'm going to look into that for sure. Oh, look at these beautiful children. Oh, well, hello, little boy. How are you? How are you?
My mom told me to paint the wall with Dixie Belle paint.
Oh, did she really? Oh, they're painting the wall with their Dixie Belle paint. Well, that just looks fabulous. What a great idea. Your artwork is just beautiful, little boy. Oh, I just love this. Being creative and doing home improvement projects at the same time. Well, thank you so much, little boy. Thank you for letting us into your home and sharing your Dixie Belle paint project with us. Okay, let's pop into the kitchen. I hear a lot of buzzing around the kitchen today. Okay, let's see what's going on in here today. Oh my. Oh, I love when a family shares the responsibilities of taking care and doing some of the laundry and cleaning activities. That is so important. Sir, can you tell us what you're doing today?
I'm actually going to, thank you so much. My dentist appreciates you. I'm actually going to clean this shirt with Dixie Belle paint today.
Oh, that shirt is disgusting. Let's take a look at the shirt that he's going to be doing the laundry with his Dixie Belle paint. That is horrible. Oh my gosh, I'm so disgusted. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to wash some laundry with our Dixie Belle paint. Oh, just put that right into the water. Oh, you want to pour your Dixie Belle? That's a little too much. Is that satin clear coat?
That is okay.
Let's see. Oh, that's our Dixie Belle paint. Yes, and then,
look at how amazing that is.
Oh my goodness. That is a miracle. Do you see that? Let's take a close-up of this.
Zoom on in.
That is the whitest, brightest whites I've ever seen, all thanks to our Dixie Belle paint. Oh my goodness, can you imagine how well-dressed this family is going to be, all thanks to their Dixie Belle paint projects. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your...
Well, you're welcome. Thank you. I hope you treated that mic. Not just a good time.
It's a miracle. It is a miracle. Thank you so much for sharing your laundry tips and tricks using Dixie Belle paint. Let's pop over to this room. I do see some more activity going on, all with Dixie Belle paint. Oh, hello, young man. How are you today?
Good.
Good. I see you're playing. Oh, are you playing a board game?
Yeah.
Well, who is your little friend right here? He is just adorable.
My friend's name is Wilson.
His name is Wilson. He is just adorable. You guys, this young man has made a friend with his Dixie Belle paint, and they're enjoying a friendly board game. Well, that is so sweet. Let's just watch them play their board game for a minute.
Wilson, you always win!
Oh no. Well, it looks like Wilson wins again. Well, thank you, young man. You two enjoy your game. Okay, we're just gonna move along. And let's see what's going on over here. Oh, some more activities in our kitchen, all being done with some Dixie Belle paint. Let's take a look. Hello again, sir.
Oh, hi.
I see you're whipping up a delicious meal using your Dixie Belle paint.
Yes, I can hardly breathe.
Let's take a look. First of all, I
Get in there.
yeah, I want to make sure.
Are you going to appreciate the outfit?
Yeah, no, you definitely want to make sure that you're always wearing the correct outfit when you're painting with your Dixie Belle paint. You want to make sure that you're protecting your clothing, your Dixie Belle swag with an apron before you step into any Dixie Belle paint activities. Yes.
Guaranteed.
So let's see. You're whipping up a beautiful meal right here.
Oh, thank you.
This looks delicious, ladies and gentlemen. Just delicious. I hope they'll let me take a bite too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just get in there. Gotta get it.
So you want to get in there. Oh, and then you're going to serve it on your Dixie Belle paint lids. That is a great idea. Well, that just looks delicious. Oh, and what are you going to top that with? This lovely meal? Oh, some Dixie Belle paint. Oh, yes. No, that's gonna add some savory flavor. Yeah. Oh, that looks beautiful. Your children are so lucky.
Mouth watering.
Yeah, and I love how you've repurposed all of your Dixie Belle paint containers.
Can I interest you into some coffee now?
Into some beautiful serveware. Yeah, so let's take a look in your cabinets and see. Let's see what you've got going in your cabinets. Oh, that is brilliant. Yeah, Dixie Belle paint is all you need. You really don't need to shop for cutlery anymore because with your Dixie Belle paint, yes, you can stock your cabinets and you can serve. All your entertaining can be done all on your Dixie Belle paint dishes. So that is a wonderful use. I'm so happy to see that. So back to your beautiful meal over here.
Why, thank you.
Yeah, this looks lovely. I might get you a cup of that coffee when we're done. Okay, and now you guys, our beautiful Dixie Belle family is going to enjoy their beautiful Dixie Belle meal, all served on their Dixie Belle plates with their Dixie Belle cutlery. This has been a beautiful experience, you guys. What a lovely family, all of us with Dixie Belle paint activities. So thank you so much for inviting us in. Oh, I see we have one more activity going on. Oh, this is exciting. I don't want to miss this. I'm sorry, we almost missed this one. Okay, let's get in here.
Yeah, pardon me.
Oh, you know what? Our lovely husband had to stop his cooking activities because it seems there's a home repair that needs to be done that can be solved with our Dixie Belle paint. Let's take a look. So what is the problem, sir?
So the problem I'm having with the table is that it has a little bit of a rock to it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That is a wobbly table. That is unfortunate.
How you fix this? You remedy with...
Oh, a Dixie Belle paint, of course. Of course. I can't believe I've never thought of this before. Oh my goodness. Will you take a look at that? That is just genius.
Perfect.
That table has been fixed with Dixie Belle paint.
It's level?
Yeah, that is, well, it's not wobbly. It's definitely not wobbly anymore. It's, well, here, that is a great effort. I think that's a fabulous use of your Dixie Belle paint. So, once again, you guys, thank this lovely family for inviting us into their home to share all their Dixie Belle paint activities with us. What a beautiful home and what a beautiful family. So I'm going to check out and you guys catch me on the 7 o'clock news tonight where we'll cover more important Dixie Belle paint information. Thank you.